Hey everyone, it's the Makeup Jeannie here. And I've had this for over a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. This is my June's LookFantastic box. And I normally try to do the videos pretty quick, but I've been a little behind on them. And a couple of ladies know out there, because I mentioned it to a few people, but I had went for my annual mammogram. That was 2 Thursdays ago, or be 2 Thursdays, I guess. And then I got a phone call later that day, or it was the next day, I can't quite remember, but they asked me to come back in and do some more imaging. So then I went in on this past Tuesday. I did more imaging, and then they pulled me in for a diagnostic ultrasound. The doctor came in and he says, we're not really sure, you have something new here. So I was like, okay. And he's like, we really need to biopsy. Well, I obviously was freaking out. So they set the biopsy up. It was Thursday, and they said it would be a minimum of 48 hours before I heard back. Well, obviously they weren't going to call me over the weekend, which would have made Saturday would have been the 48-hour mark. So I had to wait all the way until yesterday, and then they finally called me yesterday evening, but everything they said looked fine. So for a little bit there, though, I was scared. I was worried, because we have a history in my family of breast cancer and things like that. And so, very important, please, ladies, get your mammograms. Also, men need to check their breasts for breast health as well, because I had 2 uncles that had breast cancer. I know you don't think of men as normally having them, but men can get breast cancer as well. It's just not as common. So please, mind your breasts. This one's still a bit sore over here. So it's got a big old bruise on it. But so yes, so I feel way better, and I did get the winter's gifts sent out. I believe, I know one of them for sure received theirs today, maybe 2, I think 2 received them. Hopefully all 3 got them today, but I know one lived quite a bit over, like half the United States over from me, where the other 2 were just a state away. So okay, here we go. LookFantastic. Again, y'all know I love my box because this is such a nice sturdy box. You can either keep that lid, you can take that lid off and recover it, and all kinds of things. And our message today says, travel makes us all storytellers. So I always love the little messages that's on the inside of the lid. Just to throw that out. And again, this box cost me $17 a month. Yes, it's $7 more than my little Ipsy bag I just showed you. But it's cheaper than the Ipsy Glam. It's cheaper than pretty much everybody else out there. Other thing is that this ships from England. So for $17 a month, and it's coming from another country, to me, I can't beat that price. They always include a little brochure that tells you about all your products inside. We'll get back to that in a sec. It also comes every month with the current month Elle magazine. This is for June, and does it tell me who that is? Maybe Georgia Smith? I don't know. That's a name on the cover. If this would have been 30 years ago, I could have told you every supermodel and cover person there is. So it's terrible. I don't even see I haven't even got to the index yet in it. Y'all can look it up. But she's pretty. Love her eyes. Nice brown eyes like mine. Hers are much younger, of course. Okay, then it always comes done in tissue with a little sticker on it that has the LF Beauty Box, or hashtag LF Beauty Box, I guess I should say. Okay, trying to get into it. I'm having to tear it open to get down in here. Okay. So first we have, let me see, and these are generally deluxe sample sizes. This is what these are. Sometimes I think I get a full-size item thrown in every now and then. That was my son, if y'all just heard that come over. Okay, I'm still going. This is Philorgia Lifting Sculpture Cream. This is £9, 10. These are British prices, so I haven't gone in and equated into US prices. But formulated with active ingredients to deliver visible effects, collagen and hyaluronic acid work together to visibly reduce signs of aging. Created by a leading French dermatology clinic. Created by. Okay, so I will be definitely trying that out, because anytime I can get rid of the wrinkles, you know, the better. Okay, then in here we have a bar of soap from, oh wait, that's not the bar that I have a picture. Oh, it is. Okay. Coors Natural Pure Greek Soap, chamomile, pomegranate, or olive and olive blossom. And I have the chamomile is the one I have. Smells really good. This is 5 pounds. Enjoy a refreshing cleanse with a traditional Greek soap bar inspired by historic beauty rituals of Cretan women. Formulated with natural ingredients, elevate your daily cleanse routine with this multi-use soap. So I think I had it upside down. There you go. I don't know if I can see that name or not. Okay, and then down here, next it's got paper shavings all over it. Surf Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray, Salt Spray. Oh, somebody else had a salt spray in their box that I saw. $2, or not $2, 2 pounds and 40. Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray or Go Big Spray. And I ended up getting the surf spray because you could have got 2 different ones. Give your hair a perfectly tossed beach look with Cult Salt Spray from Bumble and Bumble. Apply to wet or dry. This surf spray adds body and texture to fine hair. So obviously y'all can look, because I did not fix my hair today, but I didn't have the hairband on when I did my makeup either. But also, yes, it is pink, if y'all can see that. That is the Bright, it's the name of it, Pastel Pink shampoo that I've been using. The more you use it, the brighter the pink will become in my hair, and it's more visible on the ends because of the bleached, where the top isn't taking as well. It almost more, it's a rose gold up here as opposed to the pinks at the bottom. Yeah. So moving on. Y'all know I can get crazy and I can get distracted. Okay, next we have a product that, and most of these are always beauty products and face skincare products is what I meant to say, and hair products, which I don't mind, but I mean I do prefer boxes full of makeup, but I can only have so much makeup, but I do go through the facial products. This is, I don't want to pronounce this, Topiolis SVR Laboratories Dermatology. Okay, this is a sensitive eyelid cream for dry and sensitive eyelid cream. This is 15 pounds. Calm and soothe sensitive and itchy eyes with this gentle treatment for dry and easily irritated skin. With clinically proven effectiveness, this French eye cream delivers 24-hour hydration, immediately relieving any discomfort. Created to soothe, reduce redness and irritation, moisturize the delicate eye area, and protect against external aggravations. This eye cream addresses a wide range of concerns. Apply morning and evening to the eyelids and eye contour. This contains hyaluronic acid and omegas 3, 6, and 9. So interesting. I don't normally have problems with itchy eyes, but you never know. And we've got a couple more products down here. This next one is no panic if skin turns red. It works. After moisturizer. Add moisturizer after. Okay. Peeling mask. Maintain youthful skin appearance with this peeling mask from Danish skincare brand eCooking, utilizing AHAs including lactic, salicylic, and glycolic acid. This mask buffs away dead skin cells to reveal a radiant and glowing complexion. 100% vegan. This mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. This is a 11 pound 10. 11 pound point 10. I guess it would be pence on the end instead of cents, but yeah. So that is a glass jar too. I think maybe it's just really hard plastic, I guess, but I don't know though. I can see through it when the light's right. Anyway, so that's cool. I'm excited to try that. I love masks that you put on and have to peel off. And then I have one last little item in here. Let me pick that up and make sure. Yes. This is BioEffect EGF Serum. This is a $25 value, or 25 pound value for this little tiny thing. Give skin a new lease of life with a serum from groundbreaking Icelandic brand BioEffect, using a plant-based replica of EGF, a naturally occurring human protein. This serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while boosting radiance. Quick absorbing, this serum deeply moisturizes and rehydrates. 100% vegan. This mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. Add 2 to 4 drops over clean, dry skin on the face and neck, patting gently until fully absorbed. Editor's tips. A small amount goes a long way with this powerful serum. We suggest using a pea-sized amount for best results. So that's probably actually, if you use just little drops, that'll last a while. I know it looks really tiny, but another thing too is that it has the QR codes that you can scan and read about the product on the back, and then the world's best beauty products, and then it has those listed and you can read about. A lot of this is things that we've received in the past. Sometimes it's things that we're going to get, but it doesn't tell you when. However, it does give you a sneak peek on the back. So for the July box, you will be getting the Elemis Hydra Balance Day Cream worth 19 pounds. I just realized too, there's also an article, top spa destinations around the world. So that would be nice. But obviously I can't go anywhere. It costs money. And when you don't work and you do this and you have medical bills, it's just kind of hard to go do anything, anywhere, and have fun. You know, I have fun. I have fun all the time. Don't take me wrong there. I do. I love my boys. I love my husband. And we used to do a ton of camping, but then when the psoriatic arthritis got so bad, I don't do all the camping anymore, but blah, blah, blah. Y'all don't really care, I know. But again, here's my LookFantastic. Again, I love, you can't see them back there right now. But I just love that box. I really do. I do. I love it. My eyes today is using the James Charles palette. I had freaking problems with this eyelash and it didn't want to stick. It kept coming up, so everything kind of got messed up a little bit. I did the do I look like I've been in the sun? A little bit. Okay, look, I wish my face was like that. How's that? Is that better? So yes, I think that's the second time that I've used the James Charles palette, and this time obviously I went with pinks. I did look at my little survey that I put, and I think it was 45% when I looked wanted me to do a blue, indigo, violet color. Okay, my hair's all messed up now. Okay. Last time I looked at my survey, it was at 45% for the blue, violet, indigo look, and I will do that. So I will probably use the James Charles palette again for that, because I saw some real pretty shades in there today. I might go with the Jeffree Star, but I doubt it, because I really liked what was in the James Charles. And I just love that kid to death. So I know in a million years he's never going to see this video. But when all the controversy started back several weeks back, I just was so mad at other people, not James. I was not mad at James, because I'm like, you know, they're treating him like he's a 40-year-old and that he's lived his life and he has everything worked out. He's not. He is still a child. He's younger than my oldest son, who is still a kid to me. You know, so he is doing teenage things still, and that is perfectly fine, because that's what they do. He hasn't lived, he hasn't experienced everything yet. So like I said, I was just so mad at other people. Anyway, I love you, James. I really do. I love you. Stay the same. Don't change for anybody. Be who you are, sister. So, alright. With that, I kind of snorted a little bit. So, with that, I am out. Y'all have a beautiful, lovely day wherever you're at. Whether it's morning, noon, or night. I love you all.